Now, with the weather, here's Tyne, Logan and Tyne. There was some thick fog over Perth this morning.
There was. Until about 9 a.m. it was looking very eerie out there. But if you made it to Kings Park like this photographer did, there was a great view above the clouds. It's a beautiful shot, isn't it? Almost makes it look like the city's floating. Now, with all that fog also came cool morning temperatures. Perth dropped to 2.8 degrees this morning at 10 to 7. But at the airport, it was just 0.5 degrees with top temperatures with the top temperature reaching 17.2 just after 3 p.m. Right now, it's 11 degrees. And with light winds and clear skies, there was cool mornings all over the place. Bunbury dropped down to 2 degrees and Busselton 4. Wiluna in our goldfields had the lowest minimum of negative 0.2 degrees this morning. Now, top temperatures remained mild for our north. Carnarvon also had a cool morning at just 5 degrees, which is well below average for that town, while Kununurra had the state's top temperature of 33 degrees. Now, a ridge of high pressure through central WA has kept the skies clear for most of the state today and will continue to do so until Sunday, which is when a cold front will approach from our west. Before we get the wet weather, though, there's going to be a lot for our eastern states, with this large band of cloud combining with what's known as an atmospheric river. So as the name suggests and as this map indicates, there's going to be a lot of water in it, and it's being drawn down towards a cold front and a cut-off low, which will bring severe storms and gusty winds to parts of Queensland, New South Wales and Victoria this week. Now, in our capitals tomorrow, Adelaide will have showers, squally winds and possible heavy falls. Canberra could also see heavy falls with gusty winds. Sydney will get a shower or two with gusty winds by the evening, and there's also going to be a late shower for Melbourne and Brisbane. Even our top end has possible showers in Darwin, but it's only going to be light up there. Now, back home, there's a return to the dry conditions over the north with mild tops in the in the 20s for the most part. Broome will drop to 11 degrees overnight, which is a bit cooler than normal, and there's also a strong wind warning for the West Kimberley and Pilbara coasts. Now, over central regions, the mostly sunny days with light winds and cool mornings will continue. Moora will reach a top of 15 after a low of 3. And over our south, you can expect more of those cool and foggy mornings inland, while south coastal areas from Margaret River through to about Esperance could see a light shower or two, and there's also a strong wind warning for the Eucla coast. In Perth, it'll be another day just like today with a top of 17 and a low of 5. It'll be lovely and still on the Swan River with winds below 10 knots and also calm on Perth local waters with east to northeasterly winds before dawn with the swell 1 to 1.5 metres. Sunrise is at 7 and sunset at 5:21, and the outlook has calm and sunny days until Saturday. Then on Sunday, that rain comes in and it's looking like it's going to stay wet all the way through until Wednesday next week, Pamela.
Thanks for that, Tyne. And that's ABC News for now. I'll be back with you tomorrow. In the meantime, you can stay up to date with ABC News online. Stay with us now, though, for 7:30 with Lee Sales.